Hey everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to cancel your monthly subscription. So the first thing that we're going to do is to exit the Mondly app and open the Google Play Store. Tap on your profile icon at the top right next to the notification bell. And once you tap it, you'll see a menu. Select payments and subscription. From there, you'll see four options: payment methods, subscriptions, budget and history, and redeem code. Since we're canceling a subscription, tap subscriptions. Here, you'll see a list of all your active subscriptions. I don't really have an active subscription right now to Monthly, so I'll use Babbel as an example. So tap on Babbel, and at the bottom, you'll see cancel subscription. Tap that and you'll be asked why you want to cancel. If none of the listed reasons apply to you, you can select other to type your own reason. In my case, I'm just going to decline to answer, then tap cancel subscription again to confirm, and that's it. That's how you cancel your monthly subscription through the Play Store. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.